Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. If it's the first time here, then welcome to the Lady M Fam. To all my oldies, welcome back. Glad to have you join in for another video. While you're here, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you know whenever it is that I'm upload. Like, I don't want you to miss out on all these videos. So go ahead and do that real quick, and then we'll continue on with today's unboxing. So I just got my Boxycharm box, so we're gonna be unboxing together. I have no idea what's in here. So if you're interested in seeing what all I got in my Boxycharm box, then keep on watching. So we're about to get into the box. Let me go ahead and open up my box. Oh, okay. This is interesting. Let me just go ahead and show you my box. So this box, let's see here. It says, ooh, the candy shop. Ooh, save the date. Enjoy exclusive members only discounts in our pop-up. Start your holiday shopping when all access opens November 10th. Okay, so we're gonna go over what's all in my box. All right, the first thing that's on top is this spongel. I'm just gonna show you guys what that is, and it is the Spongel Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. So it's a limited edition body wash infused buffer. These buffers with built-in body wash are infused with extracts of yuzu, LD wells, and velveteer root to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. And the MSRP on this is $20. Ooh, smells delish, guys. So it's benefits, body wash and buffer, dermatologist tested, cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massage. It says place sponge underwater, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin, squeeze out excess water after each use. Okay, never heard of this brand before. I do use my little Bath and Body Works loofah. That's typically what I use. So this is interesting. I like the way that it smells. Smells really good. So I might have to give this a shot, see what I think. It's for all skin types, paraben free, cruelty free, and I think the V on here means that it is vegan. So that's what that looks like. It looks like it's like holiday packaging. Look on the side, you know? So that's the first thing that was in my box. Next thing is, I actually do use this, and it's one of my favorite exfoliating cleansers. And what I have here is the Murad. This is from the hydration line. So the purple line is the hydration line. It's a AHA BHA exfoliant cleanser from Murad, Dr. Murad, and I do like this. So this is intensive triple action exfoliator with a proprietary blend of salicylic, lactic, and glycolic acid, polishes away dull, dry skin without irritation, reveals smoother texture and a brighter, younger looking complexion. That's what I said. Exfoliation is the key to that youthful skin. It's the key to glowy skin, so we want to make sure that we're removing that old skin. So it says massage a small amount over dampened face and neck, rinse with warm water, pat dry for optimal results, use 2 to 3 times a week. So I do like this. I definitely will be using this, so I'm thinking I don't have to buy because I just got a re-up because this came in my Boxycharm. So the MSRP for that is $40. So it's an ideal addition to your cleansing regime, 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical and physical exfoliation helps clear dull, dry, and improves penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It also helps optimizes skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. Yeah, so that is good. I am excited for that. All right, let's see. This is all dented up, like came all broke. So this is Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer, Acai Berry Borago. I don't know what that word is. So I guess this is a moisturizer? Again, matte balancing moisturizer. Okay. So this is retail for $69. So I'll be sure to list the value of my box down in the description box below, so you'll be able to see what the total box is valued at. This is for $69. It is a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing the skin's oil levels, leaving skin with a matte finish and increased clarity. Okay, so the brand is called Grown Alchemist. Let me see. It's all sealed up. Let me see if I can see. A mattifying, non-greasy, hydrating moisturizer that leaves combination skin looking balanced, clear, and beautifully radiant. Apply with smooth upward and outward motions working from the center of the face, neck, and décolletage. Gently press in to enhance absorption and hydration. Suitable for normal to combo skin types. So for me, this may not work because I don't need to mattify anything. I need all the hydration I can get because I have normal to dry skin. So I guess this would be really good for somebody that is oily. So I probably will be giving this away to someone that probably will benefit from this more than me, because it doesn't even make sense because that's not my skin type. It is cruelty free. It is vegan from all the packaging on the bottom. So again, this retails for $69. So yes, let's see what else is in my bag. I got two more thingies in here. And what is this? Oh, okay. So I got me a little lippy. This one is Soleil Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted, I don't know that word, Capachu lip butter. All right, I'm always here for some lip butters. So let me see what my little pamphlet says. A softened tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of capachu butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leite. Okay, who don't want kissable lips? Especially since we're wearing all these masks. This is the Soleil Janeiro packaging. So if you're familiar with their glow oils, the packaging looks exactly like this. It has the little top, and then when you take it off, it has the pump that you can pump out the glow oils. And this color is like totally up my alley. It looks like a nice terracotta kind of color. I'm gonna do a little swatch. So it's not even, oh, it smells so good. So like you can see, it's just gonna blend in with my skin. Doesn't really have much color to it at all. But it seems like very hydrating because like I like the way that it feels. So it does have a little bit of a tint, not much, but that's what it looks like on my hands. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm like still smelling it from all the way over here. It's right in front of me. So definitely like that. So like that's what, 3-4 things. So right now I'm at a 3 out of 4 that I'm kind of liking, so not bad. Going into my 5th item, and that is the Beauty Bakerie Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Beauty Bakerie's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is a delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office, the happy hour transitional touch-up. The MSRP on this is $38. The Sol de Janeiro MSRP is $20. So I don't think I've had any Beauty Bakerie palettes before. I do use their setting powder, and I did use it today to set my under eye for this look, which I did film, and it will be up by Sunday, I think. Oh wow, this is a nice cool tone palette. Okay, very cool tone. So this is the palette. There. Like I said, very cool tone. Probably but workable. This color right here, pajamas, is like calling my name. And then let me see this blue right here. Ooh. I've never used Beauty Bakerie shadows before, so I'll be excited to use that. That's the 2 shades right there. Looks good. I should kind of swatch one of these matte colors. Let me swatch this one. And then let me swatch this one. So let's see here. That's one matte. And then another matte. Kind of wanted to see, you know, what they were looking like. Ooh, very ashy for real, for real. Okay, so where is it? This first one, you can't really see. It just really blended in, so that will work for me. And then the second one right there, you can kind of see that one. A little bit cool tone. I don't really like cool tone palettes that much. I find that they can be kind of hard to work with, but I'll be interested to see how this palette performs. Mainly the shimmer, so I think this is definitely something that I will be willing to try, see how I like. Probably have to pair it with something a little bit more warmer to make those cool tones work better. And that's the thing with cool tones, like you really have to know how to work with cool tones on your darker skin, because they can get real ashy and look real ashy on your eyes real quick. So I'm gonna have to proceed with caution with these, but very pretty. I do like it. Very simple, definitely some nice fall colors, everyday colors. Like you could probably use this as a lid color with a nice brown in the crease. So definitely liking that. All right, so probably about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, probably 4 out of 5, or let's say 3.5 out of 5. So not too shabby, not bad at all. Definitely some keepers in here for me. As I mentioned, I do love the Murad. I do like the Sol de Janeiro. And I mean, this bath thing, I'm willing to try. What does it hurt? It smells delish, and it's gonna help me exfoliate. So that's good, because you know, we're all about that nice glowing skin. All right, so that's my box, guys. Everything in the box. Let me know what you guys think. Do you subscribe to Boxycharm? What did your box have? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to also hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you'll be able to know whenever I upload videos. Thanks for tuning in today for my Boxycharm unboxing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.